Welcome friends, today we will see about array implementation of queue. Queue is nothing but it's a line. Here we do three process. First is insert, second one is delete, third one is display. If you want to insert anyone in a queue, you want to insert in the last. If you want to delete anyone in the queue, he will be in first. Then display is option to display the queue. What are in the queue? The queue is an abstract data type or linear data structure which the element is inserted from one end called rear, also called tail, and the deleting of the existing element takes from the other end called font, also called head. This makes queue as FIFO data structure. That means first in first out data structure, and that means elements inserted first will also be removed first. The process to add an element into queue is called enqueue, and process of removal of an element from queue is called dequeue. So the code for the question is here. Here is header file and using namespace here. The queue is array containing 5 elements. N equal to 5, the size of the array. Font is the last. Here I say font is a head to delete. If you delete font, the value of font will be deleted. If you want insert, it will inserted in real. Okay, so insert means real w equal to n minus 1, real is minus 1, so cout overflow. If the size of the array is 5, if real is equal to 4, 5 means the array contains only 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements only. Yeah, the address of the array starts from 0, so 4 only allowed it. So here read w equal to 4, it's quiz overflow. I think it's greater than or equal to minus 1. Yeah, read greater than or n minus 1, it means quiz overflow. Else font w equal to minus 1 means it's ask the user to enter the element which you want to insert in the queue. Then insert queue, then real plus queue of real equal to val. If you want to delete means font w equal to minus 1 or font greater than real. It's if font w equal to minus 1 or font greater than read means it comes down. The array didn't contain anything, so if you want to delete anything in the box didn't contain anything, but you give option to delete means it cannot do anything because it is called as queues underflow. Else it contains anything means it will delete the first value. Then display is if font w equal to minus 1 means is the queue is empty, else means it displays the element which are in the queue. In the main function we see this my name and register number. See how means here we have 4 options: insert, delete, display, exit. Case 1 insert case. Here we use switch case for doing the process. Case 1 insert, case 2 delete, case 3 display, case 4 exit, default invalid choice. Now I run this code. Yeah, first I want to insert 1 and 2. Now I want to display the elements. Here is coming 12 because 1 and 2 are in the queue. I want to remove element. The element deleted is 1, then 2. So it comes the queue underflow, and 3, the queue is empty. Thank you for watching.